The tonnage tax scheme is a special taxation regime designed for the shipping industry to simplify tax compliance and incentivize investment in vessels. Initially introduced in 2004 under the Indian Finance Act 2004, the scheme was available only to sea-going ships operating in international or coastal waters. Recently, the scope of the scheme has been expanded to include inland vessels registered under the Inland Vessels Act 2021. This move aligns with the government's vision to promote inland water transport, which is cost effective, environmentally friendly, and helps decongest road and rail transport. Tonnage tax scheme features. The features of the tonnage tax scheme are eligibility applicable to sea-going ships and inland vessels registered under the Inland Vessels Act 2021. Taxation method: instead of profit-based corporate tax is levied on net tonnage of the vessel, simplifying computation and compliance. Purpose: encourages investment in shipping and inland waterway infrastructure by offering predictable and lower tax liability. Tenured ships and vessels opting for the scheme enjoy the tax benefit for a specified period subject to renewal. Administration: overseen by the Ministry of Ports, Shipping and Waterways, ensuring alignment with national maritime policy. Economic incentive: reduces operational cost for shipping companies, making cargo movement more competitive compared to road or rail transport. Impact on Indian shipping industry: the expansion of the tonnage tax scheme to inland vessels is expected to have significant positive effect on the Indian shipping and logistics sectors. Increased investment: shipping companies are likely to invest in modern inland vessels due to predictable tax liabilities. Boost to inland water transport: more cargo will be shifted to rivers and canals, reducing pressure on road and rail infrastructure. Cost-effective logistics: inland waterways transport is cheaper per ton kilometer, providing economic advantages to shippers. Environmental benefits: reduce fuel consumption and emissions compared to road transport, contribute to sustainable logistics. Enhance competitiveness: Indian shipping becomes more competitive globally, encouraging domestic and foreign investment. Overall, the scheme aligns with the government's national waterway policy and the vision to develop India's blue economy by promoting safe, efficient, and sustainable inland shipping.